a violent dog attack unfolding in the middle of a busy street in San Francisco. Surveillance footage shows the initial attack, where a victim is bitten, prompting a police response. The dog remains loose, the threat is still active, and bystanders are still at risk. When officers arrive, they attempt to detain the dog's owner to establish control of the situation, but the subject refuses to cooperate, ignores lawful commands, and pulls away. While the dog continues to behave aggressively toward officers, the situation becomes unstable, unpredictable, and increasingly dangerous, with the threat still active and the dog continuing to charge. What began as a routine response quickly escalates into a dangerous confrontation, forcing officers into a split-second decision. We will start with the victim reporting his injuries.
So the dog came up to you. Was it aggressive coming up to you?
Okay. It was barking aggressively. It was loud. I didn't do anything. I just kind of stood there and was like, hey, I have a dog. I get it, whatever. I'm like, oh, hey, whatever. And then it came up and just fucking bit my leg. And it didn't go through here, but it went through there. And then that's where I showed you the wound that's actively bleeding.
And it just bit you out of nowhere.
Yeah. And the dude, I guess, that was responsible for it, that I should get the information for it so that I can take him to court, was just walking behind it nonchalantly. I then walked up to a cop car.
We now go to Officer 1's bodycam perspective as he approaches the dog owner, attempting to bring the situation under control.
Hey. John 12, David.
No!
Get over here. John 12, David.
He's just saying hi.
Get over here.
You're under arrest.
Give us another unit here. We're at O'Farrell and Market. I'm gonna shoot your dog, man. I'm gonna shoot your dog.
You're under arrest.
Get over here, your dog's gonna get shot.
Market of four. You have a suspect with a dog.
Get over here. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Stop!
Where'd you go? Get on the ground! 10:25. Get on the fucking ground! Well, David! On the ground!
As the dog suddenly charges at the officer, he fires one round, striking the dog in the leg, but the situation does not stop there. Moments later, the dog's owner charges toward the officer, throwing a bottle. With the threat escalating rapidly and no time to disengage, the officer fires a second round, striking the suspect in the leg. We now go to Officer 2, the officer involved in the shooting, and his body cam perspective, capturing the incident as it unfolds.
Huh?
Yes! Yes, you're being detained.
There's nothing to me that does anything bad.
Is that your dog?
You're not asking the right question.
Is that your dog?
It's assault! Hey!
Stop! Sit! I will blow your dog away! No! Stop! You're under arrest!
Watch it. If you touch him, the dog's going.
I'm gonna shoot your dog, man.
Yes.
Your dog.
You're under arrest.
Get over here. Your dog's gonna get shot.
Market approaching 4th. We have a suspect with a dog. The dog is not reacting or responding to our commands. Neither is he. I'm shooting it. Stop!
No, fucking you shoot me. Look at him. Look at him.
On the ground.
Look at him.
Shots fired. Shots fired. A firm. Brian, watch out! Dog's coming behind you!
Ow, that hurts.
Yeah, it's gonna hurt, bud.
It's gonna hurt a lot, but you're okay. This is what's gonna help you, alright?
Just drive it. Don't hack it.
Hold on, it's fine. We gotta do
Alright, any people coming into the scene, walk, fourth and market, completely down. Not one pet, nobody.
There's still a big space in here. It's where
Back down, fourth and market. Same thing with O'Farrell and Market.
Okay, that's it. That's not
Back down, O'Farrell Market.
No, Justin. Hey, can somebody write down Justin?
We got the four-way coming code 3 for this.
Justin, what? Trusted.
T-R-U-S-T-I-N.
Four-way stop. That's for 143. Have the four-way either come up against traffic on 4th Street or westbound
What is it?
Market
What is it, Tristan?
Say it one more time.
from Grant.
Trusted, what's your last name? Eaton? How do you spell it?
E-A-T-O-N?
4th and Market.
What's your birthday?
Stop letting pets come eastbound on Market. This whole sidewalk needs to be blocked.
Here I go.
February 8th, 1996.
I got it.
I need to lean up more.
Oh, are you? All right, push him up a little bit. All right, you're good?
Incidents like this highlight a growing concern across the United States. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, approximately 4.5 million dog bites occur each year, with nearly 800,000 requiring medical attention. While fatalities are rare, they do occur, with an average of 30 to 50 deaths reported annually. Dog ownership carries serious responsibility. There are no inherently bad dogs, but poor training, lack of control, and irresponsible ownership can quickly turn a situation dangerous for the public and responding officers. From a legal standpoint, this case aligns with Graham versus Connor, where an officer's use of force is judged based on what they reasonably perceived in the moment, not with hindsight. Faced with an aggressive animal, a non-compliant subject, and a rapidly escalating threat, officers are forced to make split-second decisions. This incident is a reminder of how quickly routine calls can turn into life-threatening encounters. Before we wrap up, I would like to thank you for watching and supporting the channel. My name is Leo. I am a veteran and former law enforcement officer. This channel exists because of your support for me and my family. Your support allows this channel to continue bringing real cases, real footage, and thoughtful analysis to the public. Stay aware, stay safe, and I will see you on the next case.